Which data structure you have used in the project?
Yeah, sure. So we are using HashMap, using list we are using ArrayList as well. Some places we also use HashMap, and some implementation of the set is used, and some part of
Okay. Can't really last one. Which one you said?
some part we always also used Q.
Okay. Have you used LinkedList anywhere in your means of this project or any previous project?
Previous project, yes, I have used like the Access Bank where we have used it.
Okay. So could you tell me where we can use linked list and where we need to use array list?
So when the accessing populations are more, then you can go ahead with the ArrayList. But there's an insertion and deletion on a frequent basis. Then you the
Yeah,
frequent
but can you tell me the practical example,
so
a scenario?
yeah, so currently we are streaming. So basically, we are reading from a file, the access bank. So there we need to basically need some data structure where these operation more request and more has less time complexity. Now, when we store this particular thing, we wanted to basically store this after some time. Then we wanted to do some calculation and basically store into the databases. Now, let's say now coming back to the practical example of ArrayList. Let's say we have now let's say when you wanted to do like filtering kind of operation, uh, when you wanted to do some mapping kind of operation, then you can go ahead with the list because the element is already there. You just need to access this element.
Okay, and for a linked list, okay. First example was for a linked list, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why linked list is useful here and not array list?
So because there's a frequent insertion and deletion happen, because we only wanted to allow a specific set of data, and then also wanted to delete based on the requirement. So let's say we are storing a specific file for txt, and the file should contain a specific pattern. Once we don't receive that particular pattern, and if the job, if the ETL job does not allow us to basically, basically it's a placeholder. It's kind of a placeholder, and then whenever there's a delay from the ETL job, basically we are deleting it, and if there's no delay, then basically we are pushing it to numbers of ETL jobs. So there's a frequent insertion and deletion happens at the structure. That's why we are doing it. And we wanted a sequential insertion also.
Okay. 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 Uh, okay. So you use HashMap, right?
Yeah.
So when we want to use a hash map, suppose we are having the user and user details. Okay, user as a key and user details as a value, right? In the I want to put this pair in the hash map. Then what are all the things that we need to take care of?
Sure. So when you are basically using the custom object as a key, then essentially you need to make sure that you are overriding the hashCode at the request method. Given the one implementation, this is basically ensures that whenever there are two object identical, so it should consider as a same. If not, then it should consider a different object. And apart from that, it is better to use the immutable object. So user should be immutable.
Okay, can you write the implementation of hash code and equals method?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, can you share your screen? You can open any editor, means preferably Notepad or something.
to see?
No.
Still
Yeah, now it is visible.
can I put the mark down? Actually, it's quite difficult for me.
Sorry.
Can I put my mark down? Like press it.
Yeah, no problem.
Should I need to write like the right overhead? That's it.
No, you don't need to write class and other stuff. Just the core implementations of hashcode and equals. That should be enough.
So I'm just creating normal like with the use of the hash method. That's okay. Like I can
Okay.
just like name so this is class. So I'm considering like the class is ABC. That
Okay.
this too.
Okay. Okay. Can you paste this code in chat?
Yes, so, so this is
Okay. So which design patterns you have used?
we have used like for the creation part we have used Singleton and also factory design pattern. For the behavior we are using the observer design pattern. Yeah, these are the we have
Okay.
used.
Okay. So you said you have used Singleton, right?
Yeah.
What is the scenario? Why you went with Singleton?
Um, so so whenever we only wanted to create an object on the per container basis if we are using the Spring Boot, and if the per container JVM is basically per JVM we wanted to create only one instance for the whole application lifecycle, then we can go ahead with Singleton. A
No.
proper case,
Yeah.
yeah. So a proper case would be, let's say if you are looking for a particular request, so it basically uses the singleton behavior. So it basically create but only one object and route it through all the entities of the underlying classes it goes through. That's the classic case of working when we use the singleton. Where we use the singleton.
So in your case, where you in your project you have used it like this for this purpose,
Yeah, so actually, the Spring Boot actually by default uses the scope as singleton.
right? So have you used anywhere Singleton?
Yeah, so in the all the layers we are using the singleton whenever we are
Spring Boot provides the Singleton, right?
yeah.
But apart from that, have you created? Have you ever written a Singleton class?
No, by custom we didn't.
Okay. So the Spring provides a Singleton. You said, right?
Yeah,
Is it the scope Singleton or it is a Singleton object?
the scope is singleton.
So it is not truly a Singleton, right?
Yes,
Even if it says Singleton, is it truly Singleton? Means is it only single object created in the memory?
so yeah, per basis of the first you can say, but let's say we have the two containers running, then it's a different object for both the containers.
Even in the single object, can I create two objects of the same class, even if it is marked as a Singleton?
You can create, that's not an issue, but always it will if you can check always it will return the same instance of the same element with the hashcode.
Okay. So do you know how to create a Singleton class?
Yeah.
Can you write it?
Yeah, sure. Should I
Okay.
share, should I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah. Your screen, I think I already shared. You can just open your ID or notepad. Your 234 tabs opened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, So this is like the basic one, but it can break whenever we are using the multi-threading. So we need to use the double check. So yeah, so case of multi-threading, I think
Okay.
it's not
Okay. Volatile needed.
yeah, yeah. So just to make sure
Why?
that it get always the same instance on the main memory instead of for the each and every thread's cache.
Okay. Okay. So when we synchronize, it will block the threads, right?
Yeah, it will block the threads.
Yeah. If I don't want blocking, then
If
is
you
it possible? That's the question.
uh, no, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, it's a multi-threaded environment, but I don't want to block anything. I don't want to use synchronized.
Okay,
Is it possible?
so you wanted some other mechanism, or is it like
Yeah. Is there any other mechanism?
um, so even we don't want the class, right? Or is it like we want the class, but we don't wanted to use this?
Yeah, we want singleton class, but we don't want synchronized.
Okay. Um, in that
First
case,
of all, is it possible? Then we will go to the implementation. Is it possible? And do you know? Can think of anything? Yeah.
mm, so just one question. So is it like we want a specific thread to achieve to basically have this instance, like based on the patterns, or is it like we just a random threads coming and getting the access? Yes.
Yeah, it's a normal whatever implementation you have written. It's for the same purpose. There is no specific use case. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's just we don't want any blocking mechanism, right?
Okay.
There are multi-threaded environment. Yeah.
Mm, then I think it will break because every thread can have its own instance. Then I think it's not possible.
Oh, okay. That's the first question. Yeah, is it possible? So it's not possible. You are saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, so this, strings are immutable in Java, right?
Yeah.
Why they are made immutable?
Um, so basically, to make better use of the class, of the string class, and generally for the security purposes as well. Because there's something called the string constant tool. So whenever we are basically providing the address, so if the multiple literals are there, then basically uses the same address space to get the value. So that is one point. And the security reason is this: like most of the things, let's say. Um, we have defined some password in the string. So let's say we don't want it a particular thread to change that instance, and then essentially all the threads basically capture those deleted string. We don't want it. So essentially, whenever there is an update, so it should create a new object, and then the thread should start working on it. So basically, whenever a particular thread comes in, so it should look out for the previous value, not the updated one, if it is not in defense. So that is
Okay, can we make our own class, like user class, immutable?
yeah.
How to do that?
So first we can define our class as final, so that it can't be overridden. And then the second part is like we can make uh, all the properties as private and final, so that it can't be changed. Now we can only provide the constructor for that. Uh, so if you are using the predefined classes or the wrapper classes, then you don't have to worry about the clone. But if you are using the custom object, then you have to use certain clone method. And there should be no setters. It's always you should define all the values. And also with Java 15, you can basically use reports to make your class, and you can define class as report. Basically, whatever the field it has, so by default make the private and the
Okay, why deep cloning is needed?
because the silo cloning works on the references. So basically, deep cloning ensure that the new object has been created and the object will be referenced to it. But with the shallow cleaning, is what it is. It copies the same thing and basically references to it. So we basically want the new object whenever there is a modification happens.
Okay, can you write code for it?
Yes. So should I take like should
Take
I
user class, its name and address in it.
no, but name and address. For
Yeah,
address, it is another.
yeah.
Uh, so so do you mean to write whether you can like two string, right? That's it.
Which one?
No, I'm just asking like, do you want me to write two string? No.
To string? No, it's not. Uh, are you done or you're still writing?
No, I'm done.
Okay. So where deep learning is used here?
Here we are using so since if I basically writing address and then basically I'm giving the address and then basically I'm
Hmm.
providing a new address whenever we are basically calling, and in case also getting we are basically creating a new object instead of changing since Java does not uh, support subpointers. So basically we are basically referencing out the values. So whenever we are changing the value, then basically creating a new object instead of referencing the same object.
Yeah, but where we are means your value is lost then, right?
Your value is lost. So whenever there are change, definitely. So yeah. So whenever there's a change, so we'll create a new address. So let's say
Yeah,
if
but
yeah,
okay. No, how it will create a new address?
with the new keyword.
No, you created with new address here, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
What about the incoming address where that values are lost, right?
Yeah,
Why
right.
you are taking that parameter username and then address some new address, right?
Yeah.
Then what is the use of that input parameter or constructor's parameter address parameter?
To give the references like this is a new object. So whenever somebody references to it, then he will get a new
I
address.
got it. On the line number 38,
Okay, okay.
the constructor that you defined is user string name address, correct?
Yeah.
But that address variable is never used.
Address variable is never used.
Where is that you where you have used that address? That parameter. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, so basically you are saying like how we are naming it like this basically name goes here, right? And then you are saying like
Yeah.
if even if I don't give it, then
Means
whenever
where you have used it. That's what I'm asking. I'm not saying that you should give it or not give it. You tell me what is the use of that parameter. Why are you taking that as an input parameter? If you are not using it, where you are using that parameter?
mm, so
Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
yeah, and, this address does not consist anything like because it's just
Okay.
a class.
Tell me, I have given you input, okay?
Okay,
This is how we have created a new object.
okay.
Can you see the chat?
Yeah,
This is how you will create that object, right? Your input parameters are name and address, correct?
yeah, right.
That Pune will be reflected in your object.
Email will be reflected in your
Means your user object. If I now say user.getAddress, dot get city, and I just do printf for this, okay?
okay.
Print ln water print. Would it give Pune back? address line, one city, whatever parameter that you want to consider. Okay, what name, whatever you want. But would it give you back that address? Yeah.
So yeah, that's what I'm asking. Like, is this address consist of something like since you're providing the Pune as an new address? So
It
because
is an object, right? It will consider something. Means there will be some value, right?
mm-hmm.
Otherwise, what is the use of that object? Whatever you want to consider. So single line address, address line one, address line two, city, states, India, country, whatever, or single line address. Consider anything. Address has only one line. Okay, string address. But you have to save it somewhere, right? Suppose not even get city. Suppose get address. Okay, and dot whatever you want to get single line address. Okay, whatever you want to name it function.
Mm-hmm.
Would it give return back in your code?
Um,
Open your code. Where that Pune is used, whatever value inside that address, where is that used?
so let's say if I'm considering let's say it is contains city parameter string city, then
Whatever you want to consider. Okay.
then in that case then I need to use this code
No, but forget about it. So city or whatever you want, right? But when you wrote the code, what would it do? What is use of that code? Whatever, some value will be there, right? Otherwise, what is use of that address class,
yeah,
right?
that's what I'm saying. So if yeah, so I basically write it just to give a new object, but
Okay.
if that object does contain anything, then
But deep cloning is not just creating a new object, right?
yeah, so it's not just object. That's what I'm saying. So if it does contain, if this contains like city, right? Actually,
Yeah.
this will get the value to it, and then the same goes here as well. So although the object is new, but if you are referencing,
Hmm.
let's say if you're giving the input to it, so it will consider that input,
Okay.
and the same goes with here as well. Uh, from here, the same thing goes here as well.
Okay. Okay. So you used microservices, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose you are using microservice and you are calling some other microservice, okay, from your code, and suppose that microservice is down. Then what will happen?
There are certain patterns we can use in order to avoid this situation. So we can use resilience for the circuit breaker. We can also use multi-threading for that part. So these two
Okay.
pattern will help us to check whether the multi-service is again up or not. So basically checks at a regulated amount. If it is configured, okay, like the definition like when the circuit will be half open, then essentially it will do something. Try to take one request or two requests. You can configure it like that. And if the request doesn't reaches to the faulty service, then essentially it will open the circuit based on certain solutions.
Okay, but the meantime, when the service is down, what will happen to the requests that are coming in?
So if if we have implemented a better error handling on that part, so essentially when we are using the circuit breaker, so there's something called a fallback. So it will fall back to the particular method whichever you have defined.
Okay, and what that method will do?
So essentially, let me take a case where we are using right now. So we have two systems. One is mainframe JavaScript, and then there's a retail API which we are using. So whenever the retail API is down, so fallback method is written in such a way that it will basically get all the parameters and will basically hit the source code. So fallback method is basically another way if there's another alternative systems to get the same data. If not, then basically you can write your own custom message and it will throw the exception.
Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, I'm giving one. Okay. So in the chat, I've given you one program where input is 2D arrays, and output we want a third assorted array.
Should I use like arrays or sort?
Mm, What will be the time complexity for that program?
Um, this particular one,
Oh yeah, if you use arrays.sort, what will be the time complexity for that?
it's O of n,
Of n?
O of n.
Which sorting algorithm can give you order of n? in linear sorting algorithm?
No, it should be because it sorts, shuffles each element, and then so it goes one way, shuffling the order. So it is low and square because it is checking. Because when we are using the while loop, then essentially it is so I think the answer to that question is would be n square.
N square? Okay. Which sorting algorithms use the n square time complexity? Do you know?
In the worst case, like in the worst case, if the element short element is something, then multi short because my short is small.
Okay. Can you write program then?
Quick short.
Okay. For quicksort, time complexity is n square.
Yeah, for the worst case, because it is checking as a pivot and then start making the start checking the difference between not the difference but start checking the whether it is greater or less than in comparison, and then if it is shorted in the descending order, then it has to go all the way to it because each and every element is basically bigger than the one which is being captured.
Okay. 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 Can you write program for this? Yeah. Okay. Did you notice anything about the input that is provided?
This one?
They both are already sorted input arrays.
They both yeah, so that's what I'm going like
Okay. Okay.
already
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah, you can write program. I just wanted to check if you have noticed it or. Okay, what is the time complexity for this program?
Um, because this one there is another loop. So time complexity is log n.
Okay, can you print this program in chat? Copy this program in chat. Sorry. Okay, tell me what if the input arrays are not sorted? Then
Uh, then also it will work because we
it
are
will work.
because we are checking that is uh, data request. So
Okay, so if my input is this program will give me 11235.
mm, no, I think it will be like so we need to sort it first and then we can merge it. Then we can doesn't work because we are only checking on the based on the index. So when we are checking on the indexes, check the first index and the second index. Then basically check it out. Ideally, we are short. We are making a random numbers, then essentially else condition will not be shorted one because then we are only iterating. Then we are basically adding the element irrespective of any other conditions in the top of it.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, I'm done from my side. Do you have any questions?
So Vishal, is this project particularly for some particular project or is it like some skill set we are looking for?
I think we are looking for the skill set, but HR can give better idea if they're looking for a particular project. But yeah,
So
but there are lot of projects. Yeah, you're saying?
uh, so uh, is any of the project uses like cloud natives or cloud platforms like private clouds?
Yeah, there are a lot of projects and new projects are starting in Globant, and there are a lot of projects going on, and most of them work on the latest technologies. So yeah, you might find a good opportunities and new technologies to work on. Yeah,
Okay, got it.
but at the end it depends on the project and which you get, and then the tech stack it uses, right? But as per my experience, it is most of the time it is latest tech stack, and it's means right now I'm working on the reactive Java, and it uses Kafka and Moonbeam and a lot of different Jenkins and everything, right? It uses a lot of different latest tech stack in my project at least. So most of the time, means whatever projects I have worked on in the Global, they use pretty new technologies and it's on the cutting edge. So most of the time it's a good work. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds
But
amazing.
project specific, I think HR can give a better idea if they're looking for project specific, and then tech stack that is there, means I cannot comment on that. Yeah.
Got it. Thanks, Vishal.
Anything else?
No, Vishal. I think I'm good.
Yeah. Thanks. So yeah, it was nice talking to you. Yeah.
The same here.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye.